Wanna easily convert your AI files to PSD, and back again? In this video, I'll show you two super simple methods to get it done fast and easy. Let's jump into Illustrator and open our file. Now go to the File menu, choose Export, and then Export As. From the Format list, select PSD and click Export. Follow these settings. Now open Photoshop and open the converted file. And just like that, it's done. Next, let's do the reverse. Open your PSD file. Go to the File menu, select Save a Copy. And choose EPS from the Format options. Save your file. And boom, it's converted. And here's one more super simple method. Select everything in your AI file, copy it, open Photoshop, and hit paste. Done. That's how easily you can convert between AI and PSD. Thanks for watching. To support me and see more tutorials, please subscribe, like, and share your thoughts with me.